Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to destash washi tape or paper tape or decorative tape, whatever you want to call it. I have a ton, and I've used it maybe I have so many and I just don't use them enough. I do not use a planner anymore. So I don't do all that decorating, and I kept a few that I love and I can't, but anyway, let's, I have 3 lots. Um, this is lot number 1, and I'm going to put a number on here so I do not, um, so I don't, if you prefer lot number 1 versus lot number 2, just let me know, okay? Lots number 1 and 2 will be $30 shipped, okay? It's in this priority mail bag, and I swear, guys, it is full of washi tape, and I can barely close it, okay? So I can go through it if you like. I mean, there's a ton. There's just a ton of variety of washi tapes that I have in here. Some are from the Dollar Tree, like these really thin ones. Oops, sorry. Are from the Dollar Tree. Others are from Michael's and Target even. So I don't know which is which, and I try to make it an assortment of washi tape. I have some Christmas ones, different colors. I have some vintage ones. I can't believe I'm getting rid of those. Here's some doilies. This one has keys on it. This one has some macaroon or macarons, whatever you want to call them. Some thin ones. Here's a Valentine's Day one. Let me put the autofocus on so you can see. And guys, this has like a mixture. See, this is Scotch brand. Um, here's a purple, and here's this one that's kind of unraveling. There's this one. This one's like a floral of some sort. Got some glitter, some cupcakes, stripes, thin ones, watermelon. There's some strawberries. I'm sorry, not strawberries, watermelons. There's more glitter and more. There's this type. And I went through all my tapes. This one has a lot on it. And believe me, they're not that used. I think I might have, I don't even think I used any of these, to tell you the truth. There's that one. There's a birthday one. Really thin ones, some ombre ones, some rainbow hearts. Oh my gosh. There's these, and another Scotch house one. There's this one. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. There's these. Oh, look at these. I didn't even know I had those. Guess I didn't go through all of it totally. Here's the glitter polka dot one. Another rainbow one. Some solid color, some hearts, some polka dots. I thought I had some Christmas in here. Maybe it's on the bottom here. There's these. This one, this set. So I try to give you a good variety of different colors. Here's some Halloween. Here's a Christmas one. Do not open. Halloween, here's a fall one. I think that's the only fall one I really do have. So I try to give a good variety of washi tape. And I'm only asking $30 shipped for all this. And this flat rate. There's another macaron. Did I not? I think I did. Okay, anyway, you got two. And here's this one. Here's a Christmas. I think that's snowflake. Yeah. And barrel. Ah, one just fell down. There's these ones. There's a sprinkle one. Hold on. And that one. So this is lot number, oh my god, they're rolling off my table. Lot number 1. I don't even know how many rows. I mean, I could count if you want me to count them. I think there's quite a bit of rolls. And there's a lot on these rolls, I have to tell you. Except the little bitty thin ones. Let me gather this up so I can show you the next lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's lot number 1. Alright, lot number 2. Alright, so here are these, you know, and some thin ones. This is, I don't know where I got this one from. Some winter. There's a Scotch brand. Oh, I gave you 2 of those. Should have split that up. How come I didn't do that? This one has Hope and what is that? Clarity. Other words on here I can't see. There's these. And some real tiny ones. These ones. These ones. And I'm probably not doing a very good job, but I got my autofocus on there. So here's a skinny glitter one, Halloween. There's a gingerbread one. The one says fa la 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 la. I think that's a Tim Holtz one. Glitter, multicolored. This one is hearts with faces on it. Here's, I think this is like a glitter snowflake. You can't really see it. Maybe right there. The pink polka dots, some gold. Here's one that's with numbers on it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm getting rid of that one. And then there's this one with some doily, glitter. This is just, seems like this is just red tape. Here's one that says love, more glitter tape. That's purple, Irish one. Orange polka dots, more stripes. More polka dots. There's a Christmas one, XOXO, orange. Another pink one. Another gold. Here's another red glitter. Here's a Halloween one that has, well, it could be just, you know, wine or whatever. More polka dots. This one has more tapes versus the small little ones. There's these. Oh my gosh. There's this one. There's these small ones. That's a Halloween one. It's like a gold. And there's this one. It says scissors. There's these here. Oh my god, there's more. Here's one that says believe. Here's a kitty cat one. And then there's those. Oh, I have one that's, here's a Halloween bat one that, oh my gosh, I'll line that up. Oh my gosh. What happened? Okay. There we go. This is bat. It's like a glitter bat tape I've had in my stash forever. Never used it. Here's one that says do not open till Christmas. There's this one, spooky. I don't think I had any other. There's these, cute. I got just a couple more, and then there's that one. All right, so this is also $30 shipped. I got one more lot. Oh, of washi tape. That one is just, it's miscellaneous. I don't know if there's any Halloween or Christmas ones. But I just don't use these guys, and I would rather it go to somebody that will use it and will enjoy using it. So, this one. Trying to shove as many as I can in these bags for you. So, almost done. Okay, the last lot is going to be $20 shipped. And these are all the, oh, I do have some Halloween ones in here. No, I'm sorry, $15 shipped, because there's not that much in here. There is some Halloween polka dots. I guess there's quite a bit of Halloween ones in here, but there's like different ones. Here's one with music notes. I don't think you can see that. I think that's a Tim Holtz one. And there's like a crackle blue. So I'm asking $15 for this one. Not too, because there's not as many as the other one. There's those. There's some cupcakes. Ombre, this ombre one is really cute. The star one, this is a Tim Holtz one. These and some little ones. This one has eyelashes. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. There's that one. This one has some Halloween ones. Some stripes. Orange polka dots. This one is like tickets. And then here's a donut one. Another cupcake. Hearts. I think this is a sun. Can you see that? I don't know what that is. And then the last two, what are these? These look like perfume bottles. So this lot will be $15 shipped. Please email me on which lot you're interested in, and I'll get it out to you ASAP. Once you've given or sent the money through PayPal, send me your address and I will get it out. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll have more Destashes to come. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.